So hi guys, here CryptoWaley team has been landed in Bengaluru, and here we are at the IBW23 event, and we have seen so many amazing guests. One of them is here in front of us, so he will introduce by himself. So sir, what's your name?
Harrison.
So what do you guys do?
So we're originally Chainlink node operators.
What's the name of the protocol?
We're Owl Protocol and Vulcan Link.
So that's a pretty interesting name. I have to say that Owl Protocol. Like you guys are wake up all night or whatsoever. Like how is this name lands?
Basically, most of our team members, founder included, are night owls. So hence the name, We're all hackers, overnight hacking, etc. So night owls, Owl Protocol.
Okay, so what does they do? Like what type of problem you guys are solving?
So basically, we're solving more of like the accessibility issue of Web3 and smart contracts. We're essentially building a platform that makes smart contracts easily accessible for endpoint users, for developers, and also Web2 companies.
So what type of general difficulties they face? Because I am not a developer at all. I am a marketing guy. I have never write a code or I didn't even know how to write hello. So what type of problems or difficulties you solve? Because just let us know.
So basically we build very specific and smart contracts. Our two main product line. One is like smart wallet, which includes MPC wallet plus gas sponsorship and also social login. That solves the problem of accessibility for endpoint users. Theoretically, users don't even need to know there's blockchain on the back end, and they can interact with the blockchain. That's one part. And and in general, our platform basically there's way more Web2 engineers than Web3 engineers within the space. So we just want to bring the bottleneck. We want to loosen the bottleneck by making blockchain tech accessible and available for Web2 engineers also, and essentially being able to speed up the development cycle and do it in a cheaper manner.
Okay, thank you so much for this information. And how the businesses can contact you? Do you want to give them some ending notes for them or ending notes for our viewers so they can connect with you and you can also work with them?
Certainly. Our website is owlprotocol.xyz and our Twitter is owlprotocol underscore xyz.
We will make sure to mention in that description. Thank you so much for this, and have a great journey, you guys, because a lot of retail traders as well coming into, because next year is Bitcoin halving, and as well as the more retail traders will come in, enter this market, more businesses has to be bring on board so they can match demand and supply, and you guys could easily help it out them.
Yeah, absolutely. Come build with us. Right now you can sign up for free and deploy our API recipes for free on testnet. We just want more people to build with us, and we're super happy to support.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for letting us know what is Owl Protocol and how you guys are solving this problem. Thank you. Signing off.